Hi guys. Uh, Hi guys. Welcome to PR Software Training Institute. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to download a Django framework. So Django framework is what? It is a Python framework. So how to install that in your device? Today I'll be explaining you. So if you want to download any framework, what is the first thing we need to do is first we need to check whether Python is present in our system or not. And if it is present, what version the Python is present, that also we need to check. So open a normal command terminal in our device. So in that, what is the command you need to type is, you need to type a command called Python space hyphen version is a command which you need to type. So if you are typing this command, what it will do means it will show the Python. If it is present, it will show Python, and which version is present in your device, that also it will be displaying. Check this. It is saying Python, and the version of the Python which is present in my device is 3.11.1. So if you're getting this, then only you'll be able to install a Django framework. Okay. So to install a Django framework, just you need to type one command called pip install Django is a command which you need to type. So if you're typing this command, then the Django framework will be downloaded into your device. So pip install is a mandatory command. If you want to download any frameworks or any modules related to Python, pip install is the best option. Okay. So if you type this command, whichever the latest Django version is available, that version will be downloaded to our system. Okay. So it will just take 1 or 2 minutes of time to install. Let's wait for that. Yeah. So you can see Django install it is showing. So if Django is installed, what you need to do is you need to check the version of a Django also. So if you want to check a Django version, then you need to type a command django -admin space -- version is a command which you need to type. So if you type this command, Django, whatever version is downloaded, that particular version it will return us. So Django version it returned is 5.0. But in some cases, what it is going to happen is, in some cases, the Django variable will not be created in your device. Means whenever you type this one command, it will show Django is not installed. But whenever you type a command called pip install Django, it will say requirement satisfied. So how to overcome this is, so here you're able to see the Python version, right? So just copy the version till here and go to this normal command terminal. There you need to type this Python 11. Okay. So you entered into this. Inside that, you need to go to the scripts. Okay. So if you enter the scripts here, you can find Django -admin module, right? For this, it is not created a variable. So what you need to do is copy this particular path and you need to go for the environment variables. Go for environment variables. In that environment variable, in that here down system variables, you can find a path, right? Click on that path. Here, what you need to do is new. In that, you need to paste your scripts there. Okay. So after pasting, just press on OK and OK. Then the particular Django variable will be created. So after creating that variable, what you need to do is, again, you need to close the previous terminal and you need to open a fresh new terminal. And that new terminal, again, the same command, that is django -admin space -- version. If you type, then you will be able to get your Django version also. Okay. Sometimes in a backend, it is not going to create your variable. So if it is not created, then in this way, you need to create a Django variable. Okay. So hope you guys liked about this setup. So in next class, we'll see how to work with this particular framework. Bye guys.